Okay, one last step. There's always more we could do, but we're just going to end it actually just getting the inventory information next to the sales mix. So our goal here is just essentially to provide labels for Tableau, so that we can display something besides a product number. Like we'll want to display kind of the roast type and stuff like that. So let's go and start by invoking Power Query. We're just going to load the output from step 5. Get back into step 5. I'm actually just going to start. I think I copied it over. There we are. So our step 5 sales mix. And now here we want to make sure we get our sales mix that's long. There we are, right there. And we're just going to load some inventory information to the side of it. You'll see what that means in just a minute. Okay, so in order to do that, we want to go load in our inventory file again. Remember, we did an inventory file where we basically calculated the profit margin. And so we're going to go load that in. So we're going to have to go connect to a new source. It'll be a file. And it was back in step 2 where we calculated the revenue and the profit margin. So I'm going to go load that in. Now there's a lot in here, so we got to make sure we get the right one. So if we click on inventory, we're just going to scroll over and make sure that we've got our profit margin column. So remember, this was our original inventory where we had that many products, and we took the item cost, item price to get profit, and then we calculated profit margin from that. So that's the one we want. So we'll bring that in. You'll see it pop up right here. And then we're just going to merge it into here using product ID. So I'm going to go to Home, Merge Queries as New. And I'm going to select the inventory table, and I'll connect them. I'll merge and join them based on product ID. And I want all my sales mix lines. So I want a left outer, all from the first, matching from the second. And you can see I match all 567 rows. So essentially what I'm doing is just bringing in this extra richer information about the products and plus the profit margin. So I think we're good. I'm going to click OK. And then I'm just going to go expand this. I don't want my product ID because it's already there. And then to save me some time, I'm going to uncheck use original column name as prefix. So it just brings in these raw column names and doesn't append the table name to it. So now this is just so that I've got richer information inside Tableau. And you'll see that in just a minute. Notice though that I don't have like my total for the month. I don't have my total revenue. So I may want to roll this back up to a month level. I may also need to bring in month and year, and make it a date. But this is going to get us started in Tableau. All right, so let's just close and load. And then I'm just going to call this tab final data, so we know which one to get. So I'm going to go save this file as in step 6 as step 6 final data. And that's the file that we can load into Tableau. All right, see you soon.